Hello everyone, once again welcome you all back to our YouTube channel Super Tutor. So I hope you all have been going through our previous videos and it is helping to update your knowledge relating to means using various AI as well as digital tools that will help out to enhance your teaching skill. I hope so. Okay, so let's move on to today's session. So I just want to know that whether have you ever struggled in reading PDFs, means long PDF, or to find out specific answers from long study materials or documents and all? So I think it's a time-consuming process, no, to read the whole thing and to get answers from out that or to understand the thing. It will be a bit difficult as well as a time-consuming one. So if you think there's a tool that will help you out to do, means how to solve this problem, right? So for such issues, there's a tool known as, or we are going to introduce a tool known as, it's an amazing tool known as ChatPDF. Okay, so ChatPDF is a AI-powered tool that help you to chat with PDF documents. Okay, there are many features. Other features are also present over there, but one of the important feature of this PDF is that you can chat specifically with the PDF. You can do, I know you can do it in ChatGPT, like you can just provide a PDF and type the prompt on that. Based on that, ChatGPT will provide you the answer for the same. But this ChatPDF is specifically designed to chat specifically with the PDF documents. Okay, so instead of reading the entire file page by page, you can just simply upload the file over there and ask question just like you're chatting with a person, right? So the ChatPDF will instantly understand the content of the PDF and give you an accurate answer based on that documents. So that is what actually a ChatPDF is. So without delay, we can just go to the usage, how to use this ChatPDF in detail. Okay, so we can go to any Google interface over here and we can type our ChatPDF. Okay. So here is our ChatPDF. So this ChatPDF is especially designed for students for reading textbooks or research papers, like who are doing PhD and all, no? Or for teachers for creating notes as well as getting assessment questions and all. This will be very useful. Okay, as it saves our time, understand the complex information in a simple manner. We can understand the information and summarize the long documents and all, and we will get the answers very quickly, right? So to save our time, this tool is very effective, we can say. So we can just go to this ChatPDF. This is the one. Click on that. So this is the interface of we can say that is the interface of ChatPDF. Okay, so this is the place you have to upload the file. You have to upload your PDF over here and you can ask the questions to ChatPDF. Okay, so I'm just uploading a PPT or a PDF over here, and there are many features I will discuss one by one. You can just create the folders also, and there are various tools present over here, like AI Writer is the, AI Detector is the, YouTube Chat is the, research can be conducted. And such way, many other tools or features are also present. One by one, you can just brief out the tools also. Okay, so first we have to upload a document or a PDF. So click on upload. I'm just uploading like so I'm just uploading this metals document over here. Okay, so this is a textbook, like a textbook chapter of metals and not metals. So I have uploaded, it's around how many pages, 21 pages are there. So I have uploaded same over here. And this is some, we can just ask whatever questions is coming in our mind, we can just ask one by one. So here, like it has already summarized is ChatGPT has, or means ChatPDF is asking for summarize this report. So that is the inbuilt question in ChatPDF itself. Like what all extra questions you want to add, we have an option to add over here. Like I'm just asking, provide me some important assessment questions in this chapter. Okay, I'm just asking for that. So here chat PDF has provided us a question, like we have multiple choice questions provided, short answer questions provided, scripted question, like higher order questions are provided, practical based questions. So all types of questions is provided by chat PDF. Okay, so if we are using it for as a teacher, we can use it for assessment purpose, right? In simple sense, we have got all the assessment question, various types of questions also, right? So this is one way, and we can just ask to create a lesson plan also. Create a lesson plan. Create a lesson plan on this chapter for a duration of 45 minutes. Okay, so it has provided like a lesson plan, it has provided as a whole thing. Okay, yeah, so within seconds we have got everything, right? So this is an easy to, like, there is no need to go through the whole thing. Or if you want to get a summary, that is also like provide me a summary, provide me a summary of the whole chapter in bullet points. Okay, so as we have mentioned, has provided the whole summary of the class also we have got, right? So it is making our things an easy. If we have, as a teacher, we have if we are going through this all thing, that's enough. Like for students also, at the last moment, like after as a revision also, they can take the same. Like if all points are enough, means whichever topics are also mentioned, and the main points which are related to each topic is given as a point by summary is provided. So we can use it as a revision way also. Another thing is that if you are providing, like if you're going for some thing to explain, we can just ask to explain the content also, or we can just ask to provide the summary of the content also. We can just go for like we can just go for like yeah, I'm just asking, we can just crop this particular thing and we can ask to explain, summarize or rewrite. Okay, like I'm just asking this chat PDF to explain this particular content only. Okay, then it has provided us the explanation of the same. Okay, we will get the explanation of the same content. Yeah, here we got it. Okay, so that particular thing only it has explained as provided. If you want to summarize the thing, then that is also possible. We can just summarize another, yeah. We can just provide this, yeah, and ask to explain this function. Okay, yeah, explain this function is provided. The whole system means the whole activity is explained and given to us. Okay, so that while taking classes also, it is easy for us to explain the whole content in a simple sense. It has provided and explained the whole process. Okay, and we can also provide a summary also. If you want to get the summary of this particular thing, you can just ask for that also. Okay, ask to summarize it. It has provided the summary of the thing also. Okay, yeah. So this is how we can make use of this chat PDF in a very simple manner. We can go through like the whole thing. Like we can just, if we want to upload the whole text, that is also possible, but the too much large storage content will not upload over here. Remaining, if you want a textbook of around means too much large research papers and all, no, that is difficult to get uploaded. Remaining everything like a textbook and all, you can just upload the whole thing and you can get the means just ask chat to PDF about relating to all topic, you will get the answer for the same. So this is a tool that will help us to save our time a lot, right? We can save our time as well as we will get everything in detail, like whichever things we want to get in detail and whichever thing we want a summary of the same, everything we will get at ease. Okay, so this tool is very helpful as far as the teacher is concerned or as a student also. Both of us use it can use the same in a effective manner. And here you like other options are like tools. We have AI Writer and all. If we go to this AI Write feature, just we have to type a topic to be completed. Means that we want to write about. Just I'm asking like prepare essay on topic artificial So here we got the essay on. If you have to go through the thing, accept it. If it is not enough for you, click on try again. Or if you are going through the thing and accept it, then it's preparing. Okay, and the reference from where you have got the thing is also mentioned over here, the site and all. Okay, the remaining, it is provided the remaining part of it. If we click on that also, it is going to accept the same. Okay, so this is a way of writing. As a writer also we can use it. Okay, like whichever topic you want to get the writing, you can just provide the topic over there and you will get an entire writing on the same. Okay, you have to just go through the thing, accept it, and or else if you want to rewrite it again, click on try again, it will rewrite it, and the reference which it has used will also be mentioned over here. So that is the A writer tool. Okay, then next is like many other tools, we also have this AI detector. So like you can some text can be pasted over here and detect the AI content, how far the AI involvement is there, we can check it out. So you can just explore all these things. Okay, and this is the YouTube chat also. If you provide a video over there, based on that video also we can chat. Just instead of going, if you're providing some long videos and all, if you instead of just going through the whole video, you can just ask to summarize the thing and get the answers also. So that is the YouTube chat is also provided. You can just chat with the YouTubers, not only with PDF. You can ask questions to YouTube videos also. Okay, and then other thing is you can go for the research. Like you can just ask the question like research as a researcher also you can use the same. So I think it's personally, as far as teachers concerned, we can mainly use this for purpose of the main use of the system. Get the answers from PDF, that is to read the PDF. Okay, it's very easy that we can make use of this tool for PDF as a PDF read. Okay, and like you want to upload more file, that is you have to just click on new, and here also you can create folders. Okay, just create the folder and can just organize like which are things you have used. No, you can just organize that also. So if you want to upload no file, click on new and you can upload the file over here. Just on the right hand side of the screen you will have a space to ask question. You can just ask question and can use it more effectively. Okay, and it saves a lot of our time, right? It saves lot of our time, as instead of just going through the large videos or large PDF and all and reading everything and getting answers or get the summary of the same, we can make use of this tool. So whenever we are coming to the online teaching, we are nowadays everything we have in PDF as well as our study material, everything we are getting in online, right? So instead of reading the whole thing and detailing everything, we can make the things, we can understand the things in an easy manner using this chat video. So I think this video like about this tool is very useful for you, and you can just as a teacher or as a student, it will help you out a lot. Okay, so I hope you will all try this tool once in a while, and I hope it will help you out surely. Okay, so we can just wind up today's session. We will see you in the next session with another interesting AI tool. Until then, bye.